Recently, in the 80s, for some of you, 80s seems like the dinosaur age. Now I'm afraid to say when I was born, but the dinosaur age, the 80s, really not far long ago, mashallah, 1980s, we had an epidemic called AIDS and HIV. Now we don't know exactly what caused it, but among the things which studies have shown that it exacerbates it and spreads it is multiple partners, lots of sex upon sex here and there and there and there and everywhere. So much so that it's so normalized that it can almost become a nursery rhyme, here and there and everywhere. Hanky-panky's everywhere, what's wrong with it? Until, science came in, and medical science, and they started to contain it. When they contained it, people said, we've contained it, let's continue. And still till today, we have, STIs and STDs still as a result. But they say, don't worry, you can take measures. Look, ya Habib, subhanallah, before every time humankind suffered, as soon as a little opening happens, we continue in our suffering, continue in our corruption. We have, as a result of sexual promiscuity and immoralities, young teenagers who are having boyfriends and girlfriends. In the 1950s, and I wish I had this recording with me tonight, there was an interview in the 1950s, subhanAllah, I had it recorded, of a young girl, Christian young girl here in Australia, 16 years old. And the interviewer is asking a strange question compared to what we would ask today. It would say, would you have a boyfriend before marriage? Would you be with a guy? She said, absolutely not. I would never allow to lose my virginity before marriage. These were normal, decent morals that even non-Muslims had by the 1950s.